Actually.
Hello everybody, my name is Trivixul and welcome back to another video. In
Stop
today's video, I'm going to be
Stop it.
joined by my two idiotic friends.
Got it.
Over here we have Tantakar, and over here we have
Yeah.
Cheese.
Oh
From the
my
hit
god.
channel Tantakar and Cheese.
Yeah, we're a hit. We're a hit with the kids. We love kids. I'm no.
Your head
Oh,
is
that's
in
lovely.
your head.
Oh.
Hi. Give me a kit.
And today we're going to be playing Minutes Remain.
What the fuck just happened?
I think something. We have a little alien too. We got. Oh, cool. We got what? Okay, okay. Mario. Okay. This is highly unethical.
Nightmare.
I don't care if you're a baby.
I feel
Bro.
molested right now.
Like Triv.
Yeah, what's up? Wait, wait. What car is that? What car is that? What car is that?
Oh, I love that car. I love that
The
car.
2006 Honda Civic.
I love that car so much.
Oh
Oh wait. I heard the phone ring.
No, sorry. That was my ass. I farted. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Low key me. This is so me. This is low key me right now. Yeah,
Guys,
that's low key me
we
right
have a
now.
bathroom.
Yeah,
We
that's
have
low
a
key me.
bathroom.
What do we even do?
Yeah, that's low key me right now.
Survive, I guess. I don't know.
That's low key me.
This is a horror game though, so that's fun.
One question. What the
Things
fuck was that big
collecting all over.
noodle-looking monster earlier?
My artwork is impeccable. Nothing even comes close to how great my art is. I do not understand how there are individuals in the world that could ever be slightly bad in the field.
Yeah, y'all can die in there.
This
hold on,
guy,
what's
this
that
guy,
sound?
this guy is this is just so much self-glaze. I've never seen somebody glaze themselves so much.
Yo,
I'm gonna take a shit.
what the hell? Yo, the sinks are on!
Yeah? Yummy water.
Yummy water.
Yeah.
How we turn them off? What the hell?
We don't. We drink from them. What the fuck?
Yo, we can seriously get flooded.
Okay, we just leave. Mario, shut the fuck
Yo,
up.
I'm trying to... Okay, there.
How the fuck? Someone tried grinding me.
I turned the sink back on.
Okay, so there wasn't even an event.
I think that was me by accident when I went to all the sinks.
We're about to get something, guys. Watch out.
What do you mean? How do you know?
Something is about to happen.
How
How do I know? The clock.
The clock? Let me check that clock real quickie.
It says 6969. I got it.
6, 7.
Every
6,
minute
7.
there's going to be an event, most likely.
Nuh-uh.
Because it's called Minutes Remain.
I just turned off the lights.
Then move the out my way.
No, you move the fuck out my way, bitch.
Danny, you're not even doing it correctly. Fucking
I
dumb
did
bitch.
it. More painting.
No, I want to turn everything dark so
Low
it's
key
more
me right
sticky.
now. This is so me right now, because I'm the alpha. I'm the leader.
There you go.
What the fuck?
What?
so
It's never too scary to bust down a move. Mario, you son of a bitch. Why the hell did you turn off all the lights?
No, I want it
Make
more
it scary.
I'm scared. Oh, I just kicked a chair.
Why are you walking so
Oh,
damn
I just
slow?
kicked a chair.
I'm scared
Why?
of the dark. I can kick this chair. Oh man! Oh,
Mario, Mario.
calamity.
What is this? Any blood doing on the calculator? It's blonde.
No, there's water.
See, I told you, you flood the house.
No,
Turn it
Hey,
off.
badge.
let me turn off
Okay,
that gosh darn
good.
sink.
Anyway, why is it
What
so
is the
dark in here?
Guys, we gotta
Why
start
isn't
drinking.
anything happening? That's my question. Why isn't
Ugh,
anything happening?
my name is
This is less.
Julio.
This is less entertaining than Lights Out, honestly.
Bro, turn off the fucking lights.
No.
Stop being a pussy.
Oh no, guys, an event is happening. The lights are flickering. Oh no, guys, an event. The big Diddy Muncher
Ghost.
button, the butt tickler is coming.
What?
The butt tickler is gonna arrive, guys. That's what happens when the lights flicker. Oh no, the phone's ringing, guys. It might be
What
our
the
pizza,
hell?
or it might be Epstein. Epstein, is that you?
Oh my god! Okay.
I fucking died.
Okay. Do not go in there. Is it safe?
I'm coming with you.
Guys, I think
Yes,
I'm alive again.
I wish you weren't.
Did you guys also die?
Nah, me
Fuck.
and him survived.
Oh no,
Damn,
guys, the lights are flickering again. That means Diddy's gonna eat our butts.
Okay, guys, let's actually keep the lights on.
Yeah, guys, or else Diddy. Guys, we don't want Diddy to come to our rooms at night. Oh, why can't you kick these chairs like you're freaking Messi? Kind of messy. Ooh, ankle breakers, kick. Oh, I'm gonna make it into the goal.
Messi, you
Ankle
piece of
breakers,
shit.
ankle breakers. Watch this shit. Ooh.
Grrr. How dare you mention Messi, you bitch?
That is
We
a
wish you a
fucking
Merry
goner.
Gooner. We wish you a Merry Gooner.
Kill yourself.
Oh no. Diddy.
Uh,
Red light, green light. Stop moving.
Why is it red like my shit? Or my piss?
why is it low key bit static?
Danny, I think
Why
that's
is
not
it
fair.
why is it red Loki like my pit? I'm joking.
Filter.
Guys, we should totally go into that room again.
It's coming out! Oh, hey there.
No, let's just camp bathroom. Let's just camp the bathroom.
Ah!
Guys, I'm scared. I need to take a shower.
What?
The depth.
Bitter cold.
Guys, we should totally go into that room.
Oh,
I'm gonna go to the basement.
where am I?
I'm
gonna
cut you and you said.
I found the
Oh,
penguin.
No, it's Diddy! Guys, stop it! Why can't I open it?
I'm in the fucking fridge.
in the fucking fridge, guys.
I'm literally in the fridge.
Why are you in the fridge?
Because he's a dumbass.
Why am I over here?
Mario, we couldn't go inside the hole like you. Oh, damn, you're glowing.
Wait, is he actually?
I'm
Oh,
here and I just went outside.
no, no, we're not flooding the house again.
Yes, flood the house. Turn on the sinks.
No, we're not flooding the house.
Maybe I want to.
Turn it off. How do you turn this thing off on mobile?
I'm
Oh my
not gonna
god.
tell you.
Oh, there. Keep the sinks on!
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
I know how to turn it off now. No, not Mario.
Gee, how do I close this? How do I close this? I'm watching on the screen.
Really? Okay, guys. I'm trying to actually keep us alive.
I'm thirsty.
Honestly, fuck the house. I don't care anymore. Do what you want.
Yay!
Go fuck
Open up,
yourselves. I honestly hope the next monster kills both of you.
Well, the next monster kills you. You mean? Why won't the lights turn back on?
Can't shower.
Oh no! Where did he go? I think he got dizzied.
Y'all are stupid. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. I'm hiding, chat. What are we supposed to do?
What the fuck is going on?
What did you do
I
this
think
time?
I got a pillow.
Oh no, I
I
Why
got a
did?
don't
pillow.
know.
Is this a landmine?
Guys, I got a pillow.
I want a pillow. How do you get the pillow?
I took it from the couch.
The TV isn't turning
Give
on.
me the pillow.
I can't watch fucking daily
You just
internet.
left the call.
Why is the short over here special?
Okay, there. I'm going to lower my volume. Okay, there. Peak music. Survive?
I want to
guess?
turn on
I don't know.
Man, what in the hell are we? Is a monster gonna come diddle us?
I heard a door knock.
Sorry about that. That was just me making coffee.
At least you can quench your thirst.
Oh, I can make coffee? How do I do that?
How do you make coffee?
Click the gray thing, the gray button.
Oh my god, I'm making it. Why is it white?
Because I'm white.
I got a cup. I got a cup of coffee.
My turn. I'm thirsty.
I'm gonna suffocate you with this pillow before you can get your turn.
I'm so confused. What are we supposed?
What if
I
we
don't
just
know
like just
either.
die? What happens?
You dropped your cup of coffee. Took it.
No, I dropped it.
Imagine dying.
I died.
Imagine dying.
He actually fucking died after saying that.
What if I just because I fucking reset, dumbass.
Why are you suffocating me?
Because you deserve it! It's
I was-
your fault!
Bring around the rose.
I'm gonna die of coffee. I'm gonna die of coffee. That's how I'm gonna go.
Danny, are you gonna revive or not?
I can't. I ain't got no goddamn Robux. That's like asking a homeless man, why don't you buy an apartment?
Exactly.
If you're homeless, just buy a house.
Exactly. Danny, you're the one that
What's
lives.
even supposed to be happening?
Why is my dead body still there?
Backshot it. Backshot it.
Guys, I didn't sign up for this. I signed up for the Booty Deluxe. I didn't sign up for Backshot.
The booty deluxe makes
Oh my god, the chair. The chair is in the basement. Put all the chairs in the basement.
Yeah.
That's genius. Genius
That's definitely
idea.
what the goal is.
How do we can't get them out from under here. We have this one though. Oh. Wait, let me do this.
That's how it launched.
No, that was flying. I don't think anything could Oh. What the fuck?
Why am I on the couch? And why am I balding?
Why are you at the coffee maker? Why are you balding, dude? Why? Where else are you?
The remote doesn't work, you dumb bit. Drink some coffee. Drink some coffee.
Always have coffee. Why are you on the bed?
Because he wants to get freaky.
Why are you in the shower?
Whoa. Why are there...
Actually, you're in the shower. I'm showering with you.
Fuck. Dude.
Oh, they're gone.
I saw like 5 of me.
Yeah, probably like 6 or 7.
I'm less. I got this remote from him, but nothing's happening. I'd rather go back in the
Hey!
fridge. Bro, I'm trying to watch some TV.
Why are you
I'm trying to watch
trying to watch?
Television. I'm trying to watch the television.
Oh! Do we go down this hatch? Oh my god.
What is it?
Okay, where the hell am I?
Bro discovered it.
I keep finding random areas that I don't know where to go.
Where are you right now? How'd you get there?
I'm in the mines.
As a child, I yearned for the mine.
I yearn for the mine. There's...
I'm all alone. I'm all alone.
You're home alone. Well,
I'm getting the fuck out of here. That's just... Oh, don't tell me it's an archangel. Okay, it's not an archangel.
Weeping Angel? Is it a Weeping Angel?
That's not a weeping angel.
Oh. The cracks got bigger.
my butt crack got bigger.
The cracks in the house got bigger.
My butt crack got bigger.
No, you dumbass.
Yeah, I'd like not to get diddled.
Well, too bad Diddy's on the loose. And my name's Diddy. I'm a
Yo,
son.
dude, can you escape? Can you escape from that place yet?
Yeah, if I find the exit.
Oh, get me in here. I have fallen. What the fuck?
Why?
I can do
What
this.
everyone? I can't think of one.
God. I wanna go home to my...
I wanna go home.
Fuck?
I am a baby. I am a baby.
Heading to the depths.
That's where I am right now.
Oh shit, I'm coming to you. Where are
You're
you?
coming to him?
Oh, is he chasing
Nathan can't see very far.
Are you coming to him? Hmm?
Where are you?
me? And he's chasing me again.
Where are you?
I don't feel like getting diddled today.
I feel like I'm in that cave level of apeirophobia.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I'm running for my life right now.
Where are you? What the fuck?
How am I supposed to know?
Mac
Goodness, I see
Chesternut.
you.
My name is Mac Chesternut.
Can this black guy get away?
I'm still recording.
Wait, maybe turn off your flashlight.
Oh, I see you. I see your name tag. I see your entire fucking big back.
What's up, dude?
Why did I have to die?
Ah!
Why when I died, everything got interesting?
Okay, back away from it.
That figure right there.
No, really? I thought you were talking about a mushroom. Where do you sell the remote? No, dude! Dumbass.
Where does the
What?
exit?
I think it's this way.
I don't want to be here.
Mario. This way.
Oh my god. I'm home. I'm home to my mom. Oh no. Bitter cold again.
Again? Okay. Let me in. Dude, wait up. We can just go home if you want. Oh, we have to collect sticks. We have to collect sticks.
You have to collect
Or we
what?
have to traverse through the fire.
What do you have to collect?
Sticks.
I think we have to traverse through the fire. No, we don't have to collect anything. We just have to stay at the fire.
Oh, really?
I'm burning.
The next one's over there.
Feels so good.
What the hell is that? Do you see that? You
There's
see
another one
that,
over.
dude? Dude, there's something over here. And over there. Let's go over there after.
Bonjour.
Like a house.
Buongiorno.
I'm already
There's
done with
nothing
this.
in here.
Okay,
There's
I've
a
already
house
completed
over
it.
there.
I did that's the
Oh,
house.
what are we? Let's just head back. There's nothing in here.
Oh, did you guys just make a new game or?
No,
It's still the same
it's
game.
my died.
Danny, I'm coming for you.
I'm already
Oh,
at
no.
the end of the obby.
Oh.
I already completed it. I'm playing it for fun now.
What the hell?
Yo, hold on. This song's kind of peak though.
Oh, let's follow the path that we took.
What the fuck?
And I'm pretty sure just shut the lyrics or something.
Again, this song is kind of peak though.
Why?
Just regular
Why the
stuff, but like,
What did I do?
Why am I
What did I
rainbow?
do? Wait for me. I don't want to die.
It's either you die or I die. And I'm picking you all the time.
damn. What do you have to say about that? Triple 7-0.
Get the hell home.
Can we not go home?
I wanna go home.
I wanna go home.
Oh, mama. I gotta get a health pot.
My mom's kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I'm trying to help her out.
Mario?
Yeah.
Are you in the basement?
What I have a
No,
fourth
no.
Ooh, a secret door.
Bob?
I'm not fucking.
Important warning, this game depicts details, violence if you are sensitive to violent please click away. Let's continue. I wanna watch, I wanna see this.
Gee, whatever the fuck he says.
Danny, did you went to the door before?
What door?
Alright, officer, look, it's in here, look, see,
You didn't
look,
see the
there's
door?
blinds everywhere, like there's blood, there's eyes,
I'm
I
pretty
don't know
sure.
what's going on.
Hold on,
If
what
you know
level are
what's
you at?
Oh my
I don't know,
fucking.
maybe 3, 2. Whoa.
Oh my god, that was a jump scare.
What am I supposed to do now?
I didn't even see it.